Okay, we're here in the middle of summer. Summertime, it's here. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. We're gonna make these ribs. Look at that. Look at how those bones come out of it. Ooh. Look at how the bones, you just twist them like that and pull them out and they come right off. So I'm gonna do this recipe real quick. I'm not gonna go into a lot of details. You season the way you want, but I'm just gonna show it how it gets done outside in the barbecue. Here I have a spare rib that I cut in San Luis style, and I have some picanha steaks here, sirloin, top sirloin, that I put them in that shape just like they do in the churrasquerias. I have a separate video on how to actually cut the spare ribs into San Luis style, and then you get the extra part. So you put the picanha here. They also call it top sirloin. I cut them in that shape, and you put it right on the heat there. High heat initially because I want to make sure that they get the marks, and then I'm gonna lower the heat, and we're gonna cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. How do you know when they're done? People ask me this all the time. When the bones pull off, the meat pull off the bones, you'll see in a bit. That means it is ready. You'll see the meat coming down to the center of the mass. So that means that those ribs are ready. So you're gonna give it about 10-15 minutes on each side. And you see how I am flipping them over now, and you see the bones are starting to get exposed. That's like an eighth of an inch. That's gonna become greater, and that's when you know it's great. Look at this picanha. Look at this steak. That is awesome. And the ribs, obviously, they'll be super delicious. 10-15 minutes on each side. Low to medium heat. Not too high. You don't want to burn them. And you see now they are ready. So now I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce. You see the bones, how they are exposed like that? That means that this is done. So you put the barbecue of your choice. I just did a basic salt, pepper, and garlic rub. You can use any rub that you want for seasoning. But at the end, right before you pull them out, you want to lather it with barbecue sauce. You want to burn that barbecue sauce just a little bit, not too much because you'll be a little bitter. Just burn it a little bit for color and taste. That flavor is awesome. You flip them over carefully because the bones are supposed to come up, and you put barbecue on the other side as well. Don't be shy with the barbecue sauce. Clean the grill later. Don't worry about that. You want to worry about the flavors here. Use a lot of barbecue. Brought your own, and these are ready. There you have your beautiful San Luis style pork ribs. I'm gonna take this inside. We're gonna do, what do you think? We're gonna do the bone test. Look at the picanha on this side. It's also done. I think it's a little bit over medium, but they're gonna be good anyway. Here's racks. All this food for me and my wife. It's a lot of food here. Look at that, how easy those bones come out. You just twist them, pull them out, and they come right off. That's when you know this is ready for your mouth. Oh, this is still so hot. It's hot, but you see how the bones come out clean? That's what you want. 10 or 15 minutes on each side will get you there. Here you have it. Remember to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and watch all my other videos in my channel. See you next time.